Has someone ever looked at you as if you were insane just because you said that you like to learn? Well, it happened to me yesterday. For the context, a month ago I had my finale exams, which can provide me with being in university. One of the subjects that I chose was history. It turned to be pretty easy actually. After that, I decided that I want to widen my knowledge, since I really enjoyed learning history in high school, and I even borrowed a book from library. My mom and siblings looked at me with confused faces. Are you really going to study even if you passed your exams? Well, duh. Am I the weird and nerdy now? Are people not curious about the world nowadays? Anyway, that's all from me.